Telling someone that they run like a girl just belittles them, especially women, because it just makes us feel weak and like we're not good enough or as good as the boys. At the end of the day, we should all be the same.
The population health team at Dianella works with the communities, including different sporting clubs and other organisations as well. The City of Hume has the highest prevalence of violence against women in the state. So we are working to tackle the issue of family violence in the context of our community.
Dianella decided to work with male-dominated communities in order to support them in building a culture of respectful women.
Countries that have higher rates of gender inequality will have higher rates of violence.
We invited Phil Cleary, a respected football personality, out to speak to 5 local football clubs in Hume about what a respectful club looks like and how gender equality links to violence against women.
60 women a year get murdered by the bloke in her life in separation. Can you believe that? Every single week in Australia, some bloke shooting, knifing, strangling. The woman he once said, I loved. These sort of things that I'm trying to tell you are part of the culture. So here's the context. Society has changed. We've got to speak it out, and I would love to think that after tonight, every time there's one of these crazy jokes about a woman, you ponder it and say, is that a derisive joke? Is that joke going to belittle women and make Football clubs are places we've got to be where we can have good conversation, and these men will go out and talk, and there'll be a ripple effect. They'll take the stories home to the family, into their workplace, and they'll discuss it with their mates. The changes that have occurred in relation to attitudes within football clubs. You wind the clock back 30 years, women didn't have a role. But today they can be doctors and physios, they can be presidents and vice presidents, but they can also be coaches. That changes the perception that men have about women. It breaks down the stereotypes, and we've seen that with the women's football in the AFL. So these are the changes we have to have.
The youth ambassadors participated in 5 workshops run by Dianella. They are young people from all different sporting clubs around Hume who came to the workshops to learn about violence against women and how gender inequality contributes to the wider issue. They were able to develop skills around taking action and speaking to their peers about respectful relationships.
And having that confidence within ourselves to not be afraid to show what we believe in and to tell people that this isn't right and this is wrong and we should do something about it, just gave us a lot of confidence.
And it's because, we've come out of this program and we've practiced it in the past 4 weeks and gotten better at it.
So ultimately, this is where we have to be. And it's a great initiative of Hume Council and Dianella to embrace this project. And I've done a number of talks so far, and you know what? For me, they're inspiring. I think I'm in the right place, on the right trajectory.